Can. Can they, Mom? Trying to get a picture of the sunset before it completely disappears. That and the fireworks. Probably up here would be a nice place.
You can hear them. I'm not sure you can see.
Well, you can see them from here. Yeah.
It's kind of too high up for you. Oh yeah, you can see like through the clearing. There might be a place lower down where you can see better. You can see oh yeah, you can see fireworks in the distance. Can you see them? Straight ahead. But that was yes, right?
Vámonos.
Whoa, what did you think of that?
Yeah.
In yoga we do mindful walking.
Do you need help?
This was definitely that.
Okay.
Take a right. I don't think the lights are to the left. The lights
Shouldn't
we go down this way? Or
Which way
does that go?
That goes a different way.
Thank you, Gabe. Thanks for the clarification.
You're
Wow.
welcome, Emma.
Look at that. Did you see it?
Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
Goodness.
Time to zoom in.
Isn't it gorgeous?
Yeah, this is nice. I'm gonna stay up here. Just gonna stand like right here so that I'm not in anyone's way. And now we have a perfect view.
So high up.
Mount Diablo would be absolutely spectacular over that way.
It might be too high though.
Diablo?
Yeah.
Doubt it.
If you were
You can see everything
That's
from
true,
Diablo.
but they would
all
look
the
like
way.
little specks of flash.
Not through a very nice telescope, which I happen to have.
That's true, and there's one on Mount Diablo too.
Boy, tamaño.
We're getting mosquito bitten. Next time we do this, I'm not going to have a big heavy purse with me.
There are mosquitoes up here?
Yeah, you never seem to get bitten. I
No,
always get
I don't get bitten.
I've gotten bitten since I was a kid. Oh wow, how beautiful! Wow.
Nice.
I wonder where those are coming from.
It's pretty cool. That's probably right over the delta.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I'm not even sure which
Location
direction
seems to be.
facing. Are you?
Currently, we are facing.
Because the delta would be like northeast, I think.
We're facing more or less north.
So it might be Martinez.
I think. Let's start.
It might be the marina.
That's possible. Martinez Marina would be awesome to go to for this sort of stuff.
Marina? For fireworks, I mean?
For fireworks? No, never.
Oh, okay. Because I think they have them.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm certain that they do. And Moraga Commons.
Yeah,
we were like
that?
within 400 feet of them, and
Do
it
you
was
remember
going
that?
off over our head.
When we went to
No, it wasn't the one that you're
Oh,
thinking
different
of.
one. Was
D
that
and
last
I.
year? Or a few years ago?
Maybe, something
yeah,
like
it was
that.
a while ago. I remember.
It was amazing though with Jonathan, and which is Dee's training partner.
Right.
And that was just
gorgeous.
beautiful.
Yeah, in fact, Lucia's friend.
But it was so loud. I mean, it was 140 dBs.
Yeah. When we saw it, when we watched it from Rita's house, I remember that it was very short.
Oh yeah,
they
I remember
didn't buy
that.
very many that year.
No, they bought very few. Must have been
that.
low on supplies, and it
Yeah.
was disappointing.
They didn't want to spend a lot of money, blow a lot of money on it. That was a while ago.
Yeah.
A long time ago. That was her friend Rita, who works a lot at
Wasn't
Buddha
her
Gate.
like someone's son or something a very good chess player and got into the state?
Could be. And I think Rita moved to Taiwan or China.
Oh,
just
that's pretty
recently.
cool.
Wow, spectacular, and you can see.
And there's some that are probably over to our right over there, but it's blocked by the trees right now. Here you can hear firecrackers going off down there and all over.
Oh, listen to that.
That's an animal, not a person.
No, I know it is.
Oh,
Probably frightened.
dog-like animal?
No, it sounded like a bird-like animal.
Possible. Oh wow, There goes. Yeah.
Oh, listen to that.
Yeah. That must have been loud down on the ground.
Yeah.
Like.
They do these over Lafayette Reservoir.
Probably, maybe.
You never hear about them being done there.
Who knows? It's possible.
I like hearing the animals.
Yeah.
It makes me want to go hike around the reservoir.
Lafayette Res?
Yeah.
San Pablo would be a very nice hike.
Or that would be fun too.
It'd be kind of crazy, but...
Maybe on a weekend.
Because it's really one inhospitable place.
Well then forget it. Yeah, I think
You know how it can be on a bad day.
yeah. Lafayette would be fun. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Aw.
That was a human animal.
Wondering.
Los gatos?
Oh, yeah.
Wow, that was beautiful. So do you know how they make these fireworks?
No.
It's different compounds burning at very high temperatures, basically. Like they will burn aluminum and iron. I think that iron gives off a white streak, I think. I'm not completely sure of this, but... Ooh, and then there's a police thing down there.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah.
Huh. Okay. May I run? 5, 4, yeah, I'm just gonna sprint so that I can catch the rest of the fireworks.
Let me, don't go too far.
Okay.
Don't frighten anyone.
Like